Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Welcome to the computer class. In the previous video, we had started chapter 7 Internet and Email. Okay, and we had studied few topics of it, like what is Internet, what is intranet, what do you mean by World Wide Web, okay, what is URL, what is web browser, okay, what is email. Okay, so these topics we had studied in our previous video. Okay, now the email is known as electronic mail. Okay, what is the full form of www? Its full form is World Wide Web. Okay, so email we had the last topic of the previous video was email. Email stands for electronic mail. Email we use to send the mail to the persons whom we want to send. It is used to send and receive the email messages. And what are the advantages of email? Email can be sent to anyone, anytime, anywhere. Okay, second, the advantage of it is the speed is fast to send message. Receiver will receive it easily. Okay, the next advantage is that if we are using email, so we can add music files, images, sounds, videos that we can attach with our file. And if a mail is not delivered, so it will show us a message that image is not delivered to the receiver. Okay, and the speed is very fast of the email messages. So this was about email and advantages of email. So today we will study that how to use email. Means if we are using email, so we should have an account for it. Okay, like in WhatsApp we should have a WhatsApp account there, and if we have WhatsApp account, then only we can send the WhatsApp messages to the persons. Okay, so here we should have a email account on the internet web browser we use to search for it. Okay, so we should have an email account. Now when we create a email account, so we have to keep a email address for it. What we have to keep? We should have a email address for it. So email address. What is email address? Email address. What is email address? Email address means the email account. Okay, every persons have their own email address, and with the help of that email address they can register their accounts, they can send, they can receive the messages on the particular account. Okay, every persons are having different email addresses of their particular account. Okay, so a email address consists of two things. It consists of two things. First is username, and the second one is domain name. First one is username, second one is domain name, and we separate these two by a symbol that is known as @ symbol. Which symbol we use here? We use @ symbol here. First username we write, then we write here the @ symbol, then domain name. Now what is username and what is domain name? It is only a symbol. Username is the name of the account holder, the one who wants to create an account, so they should have a username for it. So that username is here for the first category. Okay, suppose I had created an account, so I have written there Sonu Yadav. What I have written there? Sonu Yadav. It is my username. Every persons have their own username. Okay, like our school websites is having Rat International School, some is Nitin Yadav, some is Aditi Sharma. So in this way, the name of the account holder comes in the username category. Second category is domain name. Second category is domain name. What do you mean by domain name? Domain name is the email service provider, the company that provides the email service. So which email service we are using? Suppose I am using Gmail. So here I will use gmail.com. Suppose I am using yahoo.com. So here I will use yahoo.com. Suppose I am using Rediffmail. So here I will use rediffmail.com. Means the mail account service provider. Here I will write. Here I will write username. Then here I will use this symbol, and then I will write domain name. Okay. The domain name can be different, and it shows that where you have created your email account. Okay. Suppose my account is Sonia Yadav. I have made my account by Sonia Yadav 786@gmail.com. Gmail.com. So this is my username. This is the @ symbol, and I have created my mail on Gmail. Which service I have used? I have used Gmail service. I can use other service also, Yahoo. So in this way we can have the email address, means we can create the email address here. Okay. Suppose Nisha Yadav, a person want to create a ID. Why we use these kinds of numbers? If we use, suppose we are going to create an account, so same name persons are many. Okay, so we keeps it somehow different so that it looks differ. Okay, so suppose here she has written 700@yahoo.com. What she has written? Yahoo.com. So these are the examples of email addresses. These are the examples of email addresses. Now, the companies that are providing the email services are Rediffmail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail. These are the email service providers. Now, how to create an account? Our next topic is how to create email account. How to create an email account. If I want to create an email account, so what is the procedure for it? So if we want to create an email account, so we should have internet. The first task is we should have a requirement of internet. If we are not having internet, we can't create an account there. So at first we should have internet. Then after we should use a web browser. The web browser that helps us to access the internet. Suppose I am using Google Chrome. Which web browser I am using? I am using Google Chrome. Okay, so when I will use Google Chrome, so at that place, so the email service that we want to take at that place, we will write the address in the address bar. Suppose I want to create my account on Gmail, so I will write in the address bar www.gmail.com. What I will write there? www.gmail.com, because I want to create my account on this email service provider organization. Okay, so when you will click on it, so a box will appear there, Gmail box. Which box will appear to you? Gmail box. Okay, it will ask us two things here. Use email ID means username, or here password. Username, password. The first is username and the second is password. First is username, second is password. Okay, so the username is the email account that we have, so we can write it here. Okay, and password that we had given for the particular ID, that I can write here. Now we are not having any account, so here I will use sign up. At first what I will do? Sign up. Means here we are going to create an account. Okay, so when we will click on sign up, means we are going to create an account there. Okay, so if we want to create an account, so it will show us a few details like first name. What it will show you? First name, then last name, Then which email ID, means the email ID that you want to keep. Okay, here password it will ask to you. Okay, you will find a box here, then confirm password, means it will show you a confirmation box, means once you have typed a password, again you need to type. Have you ever seen this thing, noticed it, that whenever you select or whenever you are setting a password, so it asks to you 2 times. How many times it asks to you? It asks you 2 times, because some time if we are typing, so any letter is left, again it asks to confirm it. confirmation के लिए हमेशा दोबारा पूछा जाए. कभी भी आप कोई पासवर्ड सेट करो, हम फोन में पैटर्न भी सेट करते हैं, तो हमें दोबारा हमेशा पूछता है. क्या क्या पूछता है? confirmation के लिए it asks us that what is the password for that. So here the same situation appears. Once you have typed the password, again it asks you the same password for the confirmation. Okay, then after you have to click on next button. Which button you have to click on? Next. First name, last name, then the email ID that you want to keep. Here you need to mention it, then password, then confirmation, means here you have to type the password again, then next. Okay, after it you will find a button there, I agree. Which button is there? I agree. Okay, so you have to click on this I agree button, so it will show you a check mark. Which mark? It will show you a check mark, that's I am agreed for it. Okay, so in this way you are able to create an email account. What you are able to do? You are able to create an email account. Okay, in this way you had created an email account. Now you want to use it, so you will go to the same email service provider website. There you will write the email that you have created, the password that you had set, so you are able to use an email account. Now in an email account you will find few labels there: to, CC, BCC, subject, box. To, whenever we are sending a message to any person, so when we write an application, when we write a letter, at top side what we write? To, means जिसको हम लिख रहे हैं. In the same way, here you will find a box that is known as to box. In to box we should write the email address. जिसको भी हमें अपने email भेजनी है, हम उसका यहाँ पर क्या लिखते हैं? Email address. Okay. And if we want to send a same mail to many persons, so I will write the email address of everyone by comma. I will use comma in between the email addresses, and I can write the email address of the persons to whom I want to send the mail. Second is CC. CC stands for carbon copy. कार्बन कॉपी आपने देखा होगा. कार्बन कॉपी क्या होता है? हम कुछ लिखते हैं, जो उसकी सेम कॉपी तैयार हो जाती है. जब भी हम कुछ लिखते हैं, सेम कॉपी उसके नीचे तैयार हो जाती है. ठीक है. सो कार्बन कॉपी मीन्स द मैसेज दैट वी आर सेंडिंग, सेम कॉपी इज सेंड टू अदर पर्सन्स. ठीक है. मीन्स सीसी. अगर कोई मैसेज है, जैसे हमने ग्रुप बनाया है, ग्रुप में कोई भी मैसेज हमारे पास आता है, तो सबको पता है कि ये मैसेज आया है. किसी को डांट पड़ी है, सबको पता है इसको डांट पड़ी है. एप्रिशिएशन है, सबको पता है इसको एप्रिशिएशन मिली है. मीन्स ये सीसी का काम करता है. यहाँ पर अगर आपने सीसी को चूज किया हुआ है, सो हियर the mail that you had sent to 5 persons, so other 4 persons also know कि which are the other 4. हर एक को पता है कि और 4 कौन है. फर्स्ट को पता है, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, 5 कौन है. सेकंड को पता है फर्स्ट, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ कौन है. थर्ड को पता है फर्स्ट, सेकंड, फोर्थ, 5 कौन है. इन दिस वे दे नो. Next is BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy means here the receivers don't know कि other than me who are getting this email. मेरे अलावा किस किस को ये मेल भेजी जा रही है, they don't know this with the help of BCC option. Okay. Now The next is subject. Whenever we write a letter, an application, we keep subject there. Subject क्या होता है? Subject is the mainly main topic regarding that we are writing an application, we are writing a letter, we are sending a mail. Means जो मेरी mail है वो किसके regarding है? What is the purpose of the mail that we write in subject box? Where we write it? We write it in the subject box. In the to box we write the email address of every person. In the CC we write we choose so that the receivers know others who are others, and in the BCC the other persons don't know that including him how many are receiving the same mail. In subject we need to mention the purpose of the mail regarding what we are sending it, and then we can send it. Which option we have to select? Send. At there you will find the option attach. Which option? Attach. Attach symbol is like this. A pin type symbol will appear there. Attach symbol helps you to attach any image, any file, any audio, any document. जो भी आपको उसका attach करना है, that you can attach easily. In the WhatsApp also you find the attach option. Attach option is used to attach any file, image, photo, document, any contact, any audio file, means whatever you want to attach with the message, that you can easily attach with the help of attach option there. Now here you have done these things. Now if you are writing any message, so you have to click on which option? You have to click on compose option. Okay, options are there. Inbox. Inbox सभी को पता होगा. The receiving emails comes in inbox. If you want to write message, so you have to click on compose box. In the sent box you receive or you find the emails that we had sent. जो मेल हमने भेजी है वो हमें कहाँ मिलेगी? Sent में. ठीक है. Draft क्या होता है? The email that we had created, written. Now we are going to send it one day after. So at that time the message will come in draft. Okay. So in this way you can receive mail, write mail, send mail. Okay. Now after using the email account, it is mandatory to sign out. Sign out means close करना. जहाँ भी आपने अपना email account login किया हुआ है वहाँ से आपको लॉग आउट करना चाहिए. ठीक है. It is a safety measure. Okay. So sign out के लिए क्या होता है? The window that appears to you at this corner, you find your name account. Suppose my name is Sonu. So here it will show me S first letter there. So when you will click on it, it will show you option sign out. And when you will click on it, so you can sign out easily from the email account. Okay. Next is emoticons. Emoticons. Its two parts are there, emotion and icon. Okay. Emotion we know happy, sad, angry, laughing, sleeping. Okay, tired. These are the emotions. So we represents this type of symbol of smile, this type of symbols to means sad. Okay, and other symbols are different symbols are there. So in the WhatsApp also we use the facial expressions. Actually, what are emoticons? Emoticons are the facial expressions. Emoticons are the facial expressions. Emoticons are the facial expressions. Okay, they are the facial expressions. हम जब when we send WhatsApp messages, so means we are not close, we are not physically with to each other, we are talking only with the help of messages. So we show our emotions with the help of these emoticons. Okay, so earlier we were using these kinds of symbols, now we are using the smileys. Okay, so they are the part of it. Okay, who introduced these terms? Scott Fahlman, Fahlman. He introduced two emoticons, smiley and sad. How many it introduced? It introduced two. He has done the starting of the emoticons. Okay. Next is acronym. क्या होता है? Acronym. When we are using the first letters, शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाने के लिए एक तरीके से जैसे HTML है, इट इज द एक्रोनिम ऑफ हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. ओके, और है सपोज PC है, PC इज द एक्रोनिम ऑफ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर. सो इन दिस वे हम शॉर्ट वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग सो वी डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट आवर टाइम टू राइट इट लॉन्ग. सो वी शुड हैव अ एक्रोनिम डिसाइडेड. ओके, लाइक फाइन, सो वी राइट F9. ओके, वी राइट ओनली K. As soon as possible, ASAP. बहुत तेज हंस रहे हैं तो laughing out loud, laughing out loud. Okay, next great, GR8. Please, only we write PLS. ठीक है, by the way, BTW. Okay, so these are the acronyms, short forms and that do a great work. छोटे हैं लेकिन हमें पता है कि what is the mean of it. Okay, so these are the acronyms. Now the next is netiquettes. What is it? Netiquettes. 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 Etiquettes क्या होते हैं? Etiquettes are the manners that we should have when we are talking, when we are behaving. जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, जब हम कोई चीज़ यूज करते हैं तो हमें कुछ etiquettes होने चाहिए. ठीक है, बिहेविंग वे होना चाहिए हमारा, कैसे हमें बात करनी चाहिए, हाउ शुड बी द वॉइस, हाउ शुड बी स्टैंड. Okay, how we should keep our body posture. So these are the etiquettes. Okay, we should wish in starting, then when the work finished, so we should say thank you. Means these are the etiquettes. Here we are seeing netiquettes. The etiquettes that we should have while we are using internet is known as netiquettes. जब हम नेट यूज करते हैं तो जो हमारे बिहेवियर अच्छे होने चाहिए, जो हमारे अंदर एटिकेट्स होने चाहिए, that are known as netiquettes. So the etiquettes, ETIQUE, that we should have while communicating on internet is known as are known as etiquettes. ठीक है, सो क्या एटिकेट्स होने चाहिए? एटिकेट्स ये होने चाहिए कि जब भी हम while we are using the emails और while we are using email accounts, so यहाँ पर हमें we should not use capital letters. ना, क्या यूज करना नहीं चाहिए? ज़्यादा, ये नहीं कह रहा बिल्कुल ही नहीं. What we should not use capital letters, क्योंकि ये अलग टाइप का इफेक्ट क्रिएट करता है. सो वी शुड एंग्री टाइप का इफेक्ट दिखाता है ये, एटीट्यूड टाइप का. सो वी शुड नॉट यूज कैपिटल लेटर्स ऑलवेज. मीन्स होल सेंटेंस वी शुड नॉट राइट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. ठीक है, वाइल वी आर कमेंटिंग, सपोज वी आर यूजिंग मैनी सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट्स, तो जब हम कमेंट करते हैं तो हमें कमेंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए कमेंट करना चाहिए. व्हाट वी आर कमेंटिंग, ओके, इट शुड नॉट बी अब्यूजिव. Okay, so what we are commenting, we should keep the same in our mind, that how we should behave on the internet so that it can be a good etiquette. Okay, the signature that we are using for an email, it should be small. How it should be? It should be small and simple. okay, and the mail that we are sending in that it should be simple. कैसे होनी चाहिए? The mail that we are sending should be simple. It should not look like that. It is very lengthy. Okay. Now, if we are using the internet, so we should not use reply to all option every time. But we should not use reply to all message every time. ठीक है. Next is, what is the subject of the email? It should be relative to the matter of the email. हमारा क्या मैटर है ईमेल का, दैट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू द सब्जेक्ट. ऐसा नहीं है सब्जेक्ट में आप लिख दो कि लीव का है और नीचे आप कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन डाल रहे हो. ठीक है. सो दोनों का ही दे शुड बी इंटरकनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर. Okay, so these are the etiquettes that we must follow while we are using net. What we are using here? While we are using net. Okay. So, in this chapter, today we had studied about email, advantages of email, how to create email account, what we require for it, what is an email address, how to create account, how to sign out an account, how to sign in an account, how to send message, how to read message is left. Whenever we are getting a message and if we haven't read it, जब तक हमने उसको पढ़ा नहीं है, देखा है ना आपने व्हाट्सएप पर, जब तक हम किसी मैसेज को रीड नहीं करते तो साइड में हमें जिसने भी भेजा है 1 and 2 जितना भी उसने मैसेज भेजे हैं यहाँ पे दिखाता है हमें 1 2 3 नंबरिंग. ऐसे ही जीमेल पर क्या होता है, इट शोज अस द मैसेजेस एंड इट लुक्स बोल्ड. कैसा दिखता है ये? बोल्ड. Okay, so it shows that we haven't read the message, and if we have read it, so it looks simple. Okay, so these are the topics of this chapter. So you all will watch the video and you will do question answers and you will complete the exercise as well. But you should watch it and you should understand all the topics that's been explained. You can ask for the query, for the problem, for the doubt. Okay, you are free to ask it. So okay, thank you, bye.